When we talk about normal distributions, sometimes it helps to be able to compare them. But if they have different means and different standard deviations, that becomes very difficult. A z-score can help us to compare these different normal distributions. A z-score describes how many standard deviation a data item in a normal distribution lies above or below the mean. The z-score can be obtained using this formula. Z-score equals the data item minus the mean over the standard deviation. Data items that are above the mean have a positive z-score, and data items that lie below the mean have a negative z-score. The z-score for the mean itself is always 0. We are going to use this example to help calculate z-scores. The mean weight of newborn infants is 7 pounds, and the standard deviation is 0.8 pounds. The weights of newborn infants are normally distributed. We are going to find the z-score for a weight of a newborn of 9 pounds. To do that, we will use the formula that our z-score equals the data item minus the mean over the standard deviation. In this case, part A, the data item is 9. If we look back up at the problem up top, it says the mean weight is 7 pounds. So we will be subtracting 7. They also tell us up top the standard deviation is 0.8 pounds. So we'll have over 0.8. We subtract first, and then to divide to find that the z-score is 2.5. So that 9 pounds is 2.5 standard deviations above the mean of 7 pounds. That is what our z-score means. If we look at the next part, 7 pounds. The only thing that changes here is the data item. 7 is our new data item. Our z-score will be 7 minus 7 over that standard deviation 0.8. The mean of 7 has not changed. The standard deviation of 0.8 has not changed. 7 minus 7 gives us 0, and 0 divided by anything also gives us 0. Which should make sense. We saw on the last slide that the mean will always give you a z-score of 0. For part C, our data item now is 6 pounds. So we'll have the data item of 6 minus the mean of 7 divided by the standard deviation of 0.8. When you subtract, be careful, don't drop your negative sign. When we divide, we find that our z-score is negative 1.25. That tells us that 6 pounds is 1.25 standard deviations below the mean.